Welcome to Oraanj Interior Design. If you're looking to make your home feel like a warm, inviting haven, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to share the best interior decorating tips to help transform any room in your home into a cozy, stylish retreat. Whether you're decorating your living room, bedroom, or even your home office, we've got you covered. We'll walk you through everything you need to know about creating a space that feels welcoming, comfortable, and truly like home. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and click the notification bell so you never miss a tip from us. Alright, let's get started. Let's kick things off with one of the most important elements of a cozy home, the color palette. When we think of cozy spaces, warm, inviting colors instantly to come to mind. Colors have an incredible impact on the mood of a room, so it's essential to choose shades that make you feel calm and comfortable. For a truly warm and welcoming vibe, opt for colors like soft neutrals, rich earth tones, and muted shades. Think of colors like deep greens and gentle peaches. These hues create a sense of warmth and tranquility. Of course, this doesn't mean you need to paint every single wall beige. If you love bold colors, don't be afraid to use them, but just balance them with softer tones. For example, a deep navy blue or a burnt orange can make a room feel incredibly sophisticated and snug when paired with lighter, more neutral colors like soft creams, whites, or light grays. If you're unsure about what colors will work best together, a great way to figure it out is by using a color wheel for inspiration, or by testing out small paint samples in the space. Moving on to one of the easiest and most effective ways to create a cozy atmosphere, textiles. Layering fabrics is a simple trick that adds depth, texture, and warmth to any space. When it comes to cozying up your home, think about adding soft, plush rugs that feel amazing underfoot, especially in areas like the living room, bedroom, or even hallways. Layering rugs creates a sense of comfort and brings softness to hard floors. Next, consider adding cushions and throws in various textures. This is where you can really have fun. Mix and match fabrics like velvet, linen, wool, and cotton. The key here is to create visual interest by combining different textures. Curtains also play a huge role in creating a cozy vibe. These will not only add warmth to your space, but also help with insulation, keeping your home feeling snug and cozy, especially in the colder months. And let's not forget about the magic of sheer curtains, which can soften the light and add a dreamy, ethereal quality to your home. Let's move on to lighting, a critical element in any home's design. When it comes to creating a cozy home, lighting is everything. It has the power to transform the entire mood of a room, so getting it right is essential. To start, think about layering your lighting. Just like with textiles, layering your lights creates a more inviting, warm atmosphere. Begin with ambient lighting, like ceiling lights, pendant lamps, or chandeliers, to provide the overall illumination. Then add task lighting, which is perfect for activities like reading or cooking. And don't forget accent lighting. This is where the magic happens. Fairy lights, candles, or table lamps can add that extra bit of warmth and intimacy to your space. Speaking of lighting, let's not overlook candles. They're a fantastic way to add warmth and atmosphere. A few candles placed strategically around the room can completely transform the space. Not only do they provide a soft, flickering glow, but they also introduce fragrance into your home. The right scent can evoke feelings of comfort and calm. Light a few candles at the end of the day, and suddenly your home feels like the ultimate cozy retreat. Now, let's talk about adding personality to your home. One of the best ways to make a space feel like your own is by incorporating personal touches throughout. Whether it's framed family photos, sentimental mementos, or your favorite artwork, personal items help tell your story and create a sense of belonging. Consider displaying meaningful objects like vintage finds, souvenirs from trips, or even cherished gifts from loved ones. It's the small things that make a room feel truly unique and special. Plants are another fantastic way to add personal touches to your home. Not only do they bring a touch of nature indoors, but they also help purify the air and add a sense of life to any room. Whether it's a tall indoor plant like a fiddle-leaf fig tree or a collection of small potted plants on a windowsill, plants bring color, texture, and a calming atmosphere to your space. Speaking of nature, let's talk about incorporating natural materials into your decor. If you want to create a space that feels warm, grounded, and earthy, natural materials are the way to go. Wood, stone, and terracotta are all fantastic options for creating a sense of comfort and relaxation in your home. Wooden furniture and accessories are perfect for adding warmth and texture to a room. A reclaimed wood coffee table, a set of wooden shelves, or even exposed wooden beams on the ceiling can make your space feel more organic and inviting. Stone is another material that adds character to a room. Whether it's a feature wall, a fireplace, or a stone sink in the bathroom, it brings an earthy element that pairs beautifully with soft textiles. Another great material to consider is terracotta, which adds warmth and texture to your space. Terracotta pots, vases, or even a terracotta-tiled floor can create a cozy and rustic feel. These natural materials not only look stunning, but also help establish a connection with nature, which is a key component of a cozy home. When it comes to furniture, comfort is key. After all, a home should be a place where you can relax and unwind. When choosing furniture, focus on pieces that offer both style and comfort. This doesn't mean you need to invest in expensive, luxurious furniture, but make sure your seating options are soft and inviting. Look for sofas and chairs that feature deep cushions and supportive backs. The more comfortable your furniture is, the more you'll enjoy spending time in your space. If you're working with a smaller room, choose furniture with a slightly lower profile to make the space feel open and airy. Sharp, angular furniture can sometimes create a more cold, formal vibe, whereas rounded edges make the space feel softer and more approachable. A round coffee table, for example, can soften the look of a room and create a more inviting feel. Now, while personal touches are essential, it's also important to keep your space organized and clutter-free. A room filled with too many items can feel overwhelming and chaotic, which is the opposite of what we want for a cozy space. To achieve a clutter-free environment, consider adopting a minimalist approach. Only keep items that bring you joy or serve a practical purpose. Use stylish storage solutions like baskets, shelving units, and decorative trays to keep things tidy. It's amazing how much more inviting a space feels when it's clean, organized, and clutter-free. The entryway is the first impression of your home, so it's essential to make it as welcoming as possible. Even if you don't have a large space to work with, there are still plenty of ways to make your entryway feel inviting. Start by adding a statement piece, such as a console table or a welcoming rug by the door. A vase of fresh flowers or a bowl of seasonal fruit can add a nice touch of warmth. Storage is also key in the entryway. Consider adding a coat hook, a bench, or even a small cabinet for shoes and bags. This will help keep the space neat and tidy while maintaining that welcoming vibe. Last, but certainly not least, scent plays a huge role in creating a cozy atmosphere. Think about it. When you walk into a home that smells warm and inviting, it instantly feels more comfortable and welcoming. Consider adding candles, diffusers, or even essential oils to your space. Scents like lavender, vanilla, and cinnamon are popular choices because they evoke feelings of relaxation and warmth. Don't be afraid to mix and match different scents to create your own unique fragrance. Just remember, subtlety is key. Too much scent can be overwhelming, so a little goes a long way. And there you have it, simple yet effective interior decorating tips to transform your home into a cozy, welcoming haven. Let's quickly recap everything we covered today. Start with a warm color palette to set the tone. Layer your textiles for extra comfort and warmth. Make lighting a priority by adding layers of ambient, task, and accent lights. Personalize your space with meaningful items and indoor plants. Use natural materials like wood and stone to create depth and texture. Choose comfortable furniture that invites relaxation. Keep your space clutter-free and organized. Pay attention to the entryway to make a great first impression. And finally, use scent to add that extra touch of warmth. We hope these tips help you create the perfect cozy space. If you've got any questions or want to share your decorating journey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget, if you want more interior decorating inspiration, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.